What's up everybody, I'm the Handy Kid and today we're going to be installing a backsplash to our kitchen island because people keep putting their stinky feet on the wall which makes it dirty, and the other reason that we're installing this backsplash is because it gives beauty and more value to the house. When we're finished it will look something like this. Cool, right? To know how many tiles you're going to use, you have to measure the surface that you're putting the backsplash on. In our calculations, it was 8 by 2. Because you multiply 8 times 2 gives you 16, so you need 16 square foot of tile. The main thing we're going to be using is tile adhesive, non-sanded grout, a tile nipper, a grout float, and a trowel, which you can find at your local Home Depot store or Lowe's. Alright guys, we're going to be using a fine sander to take off any rough objects off the wall. Alright guys, we've sanded the island and I'm going to use the trowel to spread the tile adhesive at a 45-degree angle. This is the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, the selection of our tile. This is our selection. Guys, look at all these crystals and diamonds in there. Ooh. Alright guys, so we're going to put the tiles on the wall, starting from the bottom. This is kind of tricky, so be careful. I pushed these all the way to the end so we can cut the excess tile off with the tile nipper. Man, guys, this thing's coming out nicely. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. If you need your backsplash done, you know who to call. Handy Kid. Comment down below if you like it so far. Alright guys, here we're using non-sanded grout for the tiles. Non-sanded grout is for tiles that are for glass shiny tiles. Make sure not to buy the sanded one. What I forgot to get at Home Depot? And those free mixing sticks. I don't know how I could forget that if I'm doing a backsplash. Storing this for 5 minutes and letting it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, so the grout has set and I'm going to take the grout up and spread it in sections at a 45-degree angle. Alright guys, I'm almost finished cleaning the backsplash and I have a surprise for you guys. Glitter! We're going to be adding glitter to the backsplash. This is going to be the best backsplash on YouTube.
Cut it out.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Wow, look at the glitter inside of the grout. Look at the crystals inside of the tile. Come closer, Dad, come closer. Whoa, that's cool. You know Handy Kid, he loves to give surprises. I have one more surprise. And we bought LED lights and put it on the top surface.
Yeah, turn the lights off.
I'm not even tight.
No, get that light.
Look at the last surprise, guys. The last surprise is the best. There's different colors and all. Oh. Whoa. Remember to trust in yourself and believe that you can do anything. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.